What's up, guys? It's been a few days. So good news, some pretty good news. I got the wheels back. Check them out from Devilworks. Super freaking clean. He did amazing. Check them out, bro. Oh my god. These things are so clean. Look at that. Look at that. As well as I got the barrels from VR. Check it out. Hell yeah, man. That's so cool. Look, 19 by 4.5, so it's a 4.5-inch barrel. Super sick, y'all. These things came out so good. I can't wait to put a tire on them. As you know, I'm going to seal them. I'm going to be using some silicone. I got the hardware right in there, as you see. Look at the barrels. So sick. I'm so stoked. I brought the other barrel right there. Can't wait to put these together. I'm going to repolish those, repolish these. Got the hardware right here, soaking in, cleaning right now. But yeah, I'm so freaking happy, so stoked. Freaking wheels came in. I look at that. Devil work cooked, y'all. Devil work. Hit up your boy Devil Works for all your ceramic polish, full polish, brass, and triple chrome. He does everything. I paid $325, bro. These things came out so fucking clean. I can't wait to slap these on the Z. So it's gonna be flat in the rear and step lipped in the front. Remember, those are 19s. I'm sorry, those are 18 faces stepped up to a 19, and these are 19 faces. But Jesus, bro, look how good these look. You can't lie, chat. Look how good, bro. I could stare these all day. I mean, I got the Radzingers. Don't get me wrong, the Radzingers are super nice, but maybe I'll just start building these and get everything ready, and then do the final step, which is silicone them. But overall, I'm so happy I got the barrels in. I'm also going to be changing the valve stem, bigger valve stem. But overall, I'm so stoked. I got the wheels in. I'm pretty excited. All right, guys, as you see, the barrels have everything lined up. This one, the hardware's at the shop. This one, I have the hardware here. But check it out. So the hardware's in. The face is pressed down. I cleaned it with I cleaned it with PB Blaster, as well as the other one over here, soaking in. As you see, let it soak. But overall, it's coming along together pretty well. I might be able to put a tire on this one. Maybe I could do this tomorrow, put the tire on, but we'll have to see. Pretty excited to put the tires on this. I'm gonna be running 235/40 all the way around, so it should be like this type of stretch right here. Looks pretty good, pretty bouncy. I probably want to do a 215/35 later on, you know, make it smaller, but that's for right now until these get cooked, because I have a lot of tires left. But overall, I'm pretty happy. I'm gonna hit this when I'm done. I'm gonna hit it with some diamond cut compound, you know, bring that shine back, because she's kind of dusty. I've been putting my little fingers all over it. Yeah, I'm gonna convert these from 19.5 and 19.4.5 so I can have the same type of lip. So I'm gonna make these bigger, but that's later on in the future. I'm gonna see if I get some 19.5 step lip rear barrels so I can have a nice deep lip. But these look super cool, as you see. So can't complain. So gonna put this one back together, and I'm probably gonna line up the wheels, have the other ones here, have these in the floor, so I can take a picture and see how they look. Alright, guys, this is the next day. As you see, the whole trunk is loaded up. I got everything ready. So all I gotta do is just build the other one and put the seal, and that's pretty much it.
What is that thing, camera?
Yeah, what's up, guys? So here's the seal. Now I just gotta, you know, put it down. Everything inside the barrel is tight, as you see. So first seal is done.
Like that in?
Yeah, I'm gonna use the little thing right here, and that's pretty much it. So I'll get back to you when I finish the seal. Just like that, everyone, the wheels are done. It's siliconed, both of them. They're all tightened, torqued up to spec, kind of, but it ain't gonna leak air. But I'm pretty happy to put some tires on these things tomorrow. They're gonna look so good, and throw them on the Z. I'm so happy I got my wheels done. If you guys need any wheel work, hit me up if you're in Miami. Obviously, I know what I'm doing. This is like my 4th pair that I've built so far. Never had a problem. All my wheels always hold air. Maybe not my tires because I run some fucked up tires, but it is what it is. But I'm so happy these things came out so good. Big ass barrels. Look at that. Oh, super cool. Shout out to DevaWorks and shout out to VR Wheels for getting my wheels on time and getting the faces done quickly before Fuel Fest. So guys, if you're in Fuel Fest, you will see these wheels on the car. I don't know when I'm gonna post this video, maybe in 2 months or some shit, because I got a lot of videos already planned and posted. Remember guys, videos every Wednesday, so stay tuned. Every Wednesday there's a video. If there's not, that means I'm done with everything. But overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take care. It's been a few days. I just haven't had time to record the outro. But check out the wheels. Got tires mounted on them. As well as I am trading my 326s for another pair of SSR Courages. Now you're thinking, why would I do that? This one's a step lip. This one is not a step lip. It's a reverse lip. So I'm just gonna build another reverse lipped 9.5, 4.5 inch lips. As well as I'm gonna keep these, and I'm buying some Weds. Vishnus. I'm gonna convert those to 19 step lip. Probably gonna do 4-inch lips on those, so I can have 3.5-inch lips in the front, 4-inch lips in the rear. I think it's gonna look pretty decent, but overall, I'm gonna miss these 326 wheels. They look pretty sick, but I just can't fit them. To be honest, they're just too aggressive. -11. And you gotta run a lot of camber. They fit the 370 pretty well, but at the end of the day, I gotta let these go. They look pretty sick though. I'll probably buy them again once they come up for sale. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a new video of me picking up the new SSRs.